Hi, my name is Dawn.
Hi, my name is Rocco.
And welcome to our kitchen. Rocco, what did you want to have for lunch today?
Tuna melts, except we're gonna use English muffins instead of toast.
Because often we use bread, but we'll show you you can put these on anything. So this is our own home recipe that we have all the time that Rocco wanted to film, and we wanted to show you the way we make our tuna melts. First, as always, we pull out all our ingredients. We're going to need canned tuna. We use mayonnaise, yellow mustard, and sweet green relish, or if I had a choice, we'd be using our jalapeno green relish, but I think Rocco's going to pick not the jalapeno green relish. Which do you pick, Rocco?
Not jalapeno.
Putting this away. So for our tuna melts, today we're going to use English muffins. We actually made these English muffins, and stay tuned because we're going to film it and have a video on them, but often we just use regular bread. But any type of bread product will work. And the melt part, some shredded cheese. In the end, we're going to top with some kosher salt. And really all we need, other than the few utensils we just brought out, is a bowl and a fork for stirring. So let's get going. So the first thing that you want to do is you'll want to open and drain your tuna. Okay, so once they're drained, you just put them into your bowl. This tuna we have is from Costco. Any tuna will work. They're whatever your favorite is. It's just perfectly fine. Okay, now Rocco's getting to find out actually what's in the tuna melt, because I make these all the time. I wondered if he really wanted to know, because normally he doesn't like mayonnaise. So for 2 cans, I just do a big glop. You don't want to overdress it. You can always add more. And I'm going to shake up my mustard. I like using the ballpark mustard because it gives it a real tang and a bit of sour note. And not too much, maybe a teaspoon. And then a spoonful of our sweet green relish, which really has the sweet and sour, creamy, yum, everything. So now what we do is just mix it all up. And because I swear I've made this, I think I've made this thousands of times, I know exactly kind of how much we want. So you'll want to taste for your own liking and add your ingredients, but we're just showing you how we love it. So I just grabbed the cutting board because I'm going to dress up our tuna melts on this, so if anything spills around, we can pick it up. So is that one yours, Rocco?
Yes.
Okay, so you'll do yours. And now what we do is we just top ours with a good amount of tuna. A little bit left over for tomorrow. So now all we do is we top with our shredded cheese. Okay, Rocco's going to do his own cheese. What I find is you want to press it down and use a healthy amount. We're going to toast this in our toaster oven, and yes, the cheese is going to drip down, and that's what the price we have to pay for making tuna melts. It cleans up super easy, so I never worry. What I found is you always want to put on slightly more cheese than you think, because when it melts down, you don't want to be short any cheese. Okay, so now we're just going to go put this in our toaster oven. Okay, here we are at our toaster oven, and we will just pop these in here. It is not on, so it's not hot. And the cheese is already falling off, but as I said, this is super easy to clean up. And now you want to put it on your toast setting so it toasts the top and the bottom, because that's what you want to do until it's super toasted, or toasted to how you like it, and we put it at our highest setting. If you don't have a toaster, you could do this in your oven. Okay, when your timer's up, we know exactly how long to cook these, and you see the cheese bubbling, this is what you want. Okay, soon as they come out of the oven, you want to grab your kosher salt and just sprinkle a little bit on top. Not too much, but it will make a great difference. And now we're gonna go to the table. You do not want to be eating these right away because they are smoking hot. You want to let the cheese cool a bit. So we'll see you at the table. Okay, Rocco, test.
Not good.
We're going to eat our lunch. Thanks for joining us. We hope you like your tuna melts as much as we like tuna melts. And until next time, keep cooking.